Welcome to Aquila, our renovation project situated just minutes from the pristine waters of Eagle Bay Beach. Let me take you through the house and show you what we're going to create here. What really drew us to this home was we knew that we could create something very special here. The bones of this house had so much character about them, from the terracotta flooring to the stonework, which was probably quarried on site, if not really close by. The rafters have such a presence about them and really create a cozy space. And then it's the view. It opens up through these beautiful timber windows and you get to look at the magical waters of Eagle Bay just out there.